LG dishwasher, how to replace the drain pump. These tools are required. To reach the drain pump, you first need to take off the lower bezel. Open the door in an angle of roughly 45 degrees. There are clips on the left and right next to the legs. Push them down with your hand to unhook the bezel. Now remove the front plate of the door. Do not remove the top 6 screws, they hold the display. Remove 6 screws in total, 3 on each side. When you remove the final screw, hold the door and gently pull it out from the clips on the top. Take off the lower cover by removing these 3 screws. You may also choose only to remove the middle screw that holds this flap, but note that you have little space. We will proceed with removing 3 screws and remove the complete lower cover. When the screws are removed, you can take out the lower cover. Now gently unplug the drain pump connector and be careful not to damage it. Remove the drain pump by rotating it in a clockwise direction. Note, this may take quite some force. Assemble a new drain pump by rotating it in a counterclockwise direction. Plug in the connector. Insert and align the lower plate. Make sure that the screw holes are aligned. The same applies for the drain guide of the door moisture. Mount 3 screws to attach the lower cover. Clip the door cover to the top. Attach the lower cover. Check if the door closes properly and you are done.